What's up, guys? Thought I'd jump in here with a little update on the Buick. We're gonna do something really simple right now, and that is I'm gonna swap all the interior lights out with LEDs. You can do that on the Regal really simply. You can actually buy one big pack of 194 LED lights and you're pretty much good to go. So you're gonna need a screwdriver and maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. So come to find out, most all of the interior lighting on this Regal is the same kind of bulb. If you see here, they're very yellowish, amberish, not a very nice interior color. What we're going to be swapping them to is this nice bright white. Now for these little side ones in the back, all you're going to need is a small skinny screwdriver, and you just carefully pry this lens back until it lets go, which is sometimes not as soon as you think. And be careful with these because they can be kind of brittle. Then what I usually do for the bulb is I'll usually just try to wiggle it back and forth with the screwdriver until it starts to come loose, like this. Usually at some point it'll fall out like that. Then I'm just going to use these little circuit board based 194s that I found on Amazon. Just push that back in there, take this lens, snap it back in carefully, and there you go, one more bright white bulb. This center one right here I've already changed, but basically all you need to do here is if you pry it away from itself like that, it'll come open. That is actually a 921 bulb, but a 194 will fit in that as well. So the only bulbs left to do are the ones in the front floorboards. If you look right down here in the floorboard and look up under, you'll see where the bulb sticks right down through this. All you need to do is grab it, wiggle it out. Be careful, it might be hot. Take your new bulb and just work it, line it up and work it back in. Boom. Now on this passenger side, this under piece is missing, so the light bulb is just dangling. Don't worry though, we'll take care of that. I'm going to go ahead and change the bulb, but we'll get a new under panel for this too. And with that, we're done. And even in the daytime, you can see a difference in how bright the interior is, but it's really going to show at night. So I will wait out until it gets dark and we'll see what this really looks like. So here we are in the dark, kind of late in the night. Here's the car, and let's see what it looks like. There you go. Super bright, very white. Looks easily 1,000 times better than it did before. And that's it. I think that's a huge improvement over what it was. And for anyone wondering what I used these JDM A Star in the color white 194s. I'll link these down in the description if anyone wants to check them out. I think it's worthwhile. I did this to my 97 GTP a while back, and it just makes the interior so much more modern and so much nicer looking. So anyway, if this was helpful, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know if you're going to try this or if you've done anything different or whatever, and make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.